Hello everyone, welcome back to another stressful and skillful episode of Chiplock Customs. Well, today we are back on the field again. I'll be doing some little things on the car, so I don't know, maybe if... Ladies and gentlemen, the golf is gone, guys. The golf. My old golf is gone. It was very painful for me to see it go. I'll post the video and show you when it was going. I almost cried, but the golf is gone. So guys, we are back on the field again. Let me show you what do we have right now. I got some small Anyana parts, guys. These are for the steering rack. Yeah, these ones are for the steering rack, and then these ones are the outer CV boots. They are these ones. Here's my gearbox here. These boots here, I don't know if maybe they are visible, but these boots here are the ones that I want to change. So even these ones, guys, even these ones. This one. Yeah, and this one. I'm supposed to change them today, so I'm not sure how things are going to happen, guys, but today I'm freshening up the suspension.
Not perfect. Wish me coulda tell you I'm perfect, but I'm not.
I don't have tools, guys.
It's me, said one from the block. Many of my friends are here, some not. I got a couple running with the cops, but just you. Anything at all, me no fear. No, I don't push drama, just to make it clear. Gotta keep it real. I'm just misunderstanding. Things do happen, it's not like I planned it. People you love will all see you vanish. You happiness, them want you walk away from it. Sharp with minds if I had to. No recoil for me 9 that I knock you. Anything me ready for. Gaze up on the rifle like Predator. Wish me coulda tell you I'm perfect, but I'm not. It's me, said one from the block. Most of my friends are here, some not. Got a couple running with the cops, just true. Anything at all, me no fear. Oh, I don't push drama, just to make it clear. Families and friends just know some love you know. Nah, take no L round you, so straight love you. Go on trouble, alright, in a trouble too. Go on for my pro box, draw for my shovel too. People chat and don't know things how it go. Just know very soon that you're coming home. Legacy me create, them want to rub it out. Lays up on my rifle like Predator. Wish me coulda tell you I'm perfect, but I'm not. It's me, said one from the block. Most of my friends are here, some not. Got a couple running with the cops, just true. Anything at all, me no fear. No, I don't push drama, just to make it clear. Gotta keep it real, and just misunderstanding. Things do happen, it's not like I planned it. People you love will all see you vanish. You happiness, them want to walk away from it. Sharp with minds if I had to. No recoil for me 9 that I knock you. Anything me ready for. Gaze up on the rifle like Predator. Sponge music, Gully God 2021. Yeah.
Guys, I've stripped the suspension. I think it is genuine. Suspension is stripped today, and I've just finished washing this. They don't look so good, but this one is, I don't like this one, but this one is better, this one. But not good, better. The steering rack is out, guys. I've just finished washing it, and I'm gonna lubricate it. I'm gonna use grease, a lot of grease. I'm gonna put a lot of grease on it, and then, but I don't know. I think I should paint it first. Paint first, then lubrication later. Because lubrication won't mess up the paint, but paint won't go on top of the lubrication. So as long as right now it's still clean and it's still dry, I think I should paint it first and then lubricate it later. A lot of grease. And then these are the hubs, guys. I'm missing one, this shield on this one. I didn't notice when the car came that it didn't have this, so more money. And then these ones are the tie rod ends. I've marked where I'm supposed to put them back, even on this side. You have to put this, otherwise you'll put there is a ball that goes here. Then the tie rod end, when you tie the tie rod end, it gets stopped by the bolt, by the nut. Is the nut that goes here, stop the tie rod end when you screw it, when you tie it in. Yeah, when you're tying the tie rod end in, the nut that is screwed there is the one that stops. It's the one that gives you the alignment of the car in a way. Yeah, so I've marked my alignment. And then this one is a bracket, is a shifter bracket, this one. And then this one are the caliper carriers. I'm going red on the caliper carriers, guys. Red on this one. So it's red here and black on everything. And I haven't removed the calibers. I'm thinking of taking a shortcut on this one, because I'm thinking if I can paint them while they're here, it's going to make more sense for me, because I don't want to unscrew everything here and then the brake fluid goes all over the place. And this is the steering rack, guys, out. I'm going to clean that place. I'm going to clean everything here, wash the engine bay, and if it becomes clean the way I want, I'm going to put clear coat on it, just clear coat, if it becomes clean. But if it doesn't, then I have to repaint the engine bay, because I've painted it before. It's just suspension out, guys. It's only this that is left, the caliper. I'm going to spray the red here. I'm going to remove, tape it, and spray the red. Okay, guys. Actually, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't want to spray them here, because the floor, man. But I'll make a plan. I'm a man with 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 a plan. I'll make a plan. This is my jalopin, guys. The bumper. I don't like the bumper, man. It's broken. I don't want to lie. The brake here. This brake here. I don't want to lie. I don't like it. It's also on this side. So I'm gonna have to change the bumper, guys. But well, up to so far, I'm thinking of spraying this also black today. I'm not sure. I'm going to tape everything here. If it's tapeable, I'm gonna spray everything black. Okay, I've bought the CV boots. These are the outer ones, because the inner ones, the finances are not balanced right now. I'll buy the inner ones next time. But loads and loads and loads of spray cans. My bonnet, I removed it. I still need bonnet hinges. Yeah, still need connect hinges because yeah, I'm in trouble. Okay, let's go on with the build. I was thinking of spraying this white just for a while for it to match the. If you can see it on the camera, guys, the white is so different, and this one is so clean. The paint is nice, guys. I don't want to lie. You can tell that the car has been painted like recently. So I'm not painting the car unless if I have to blend it, but the back part of the car, no paint, only the front and the accessories. So let me go on, guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to put you on a tripod or let me see what I do. I'll come back to you. Everything's on first coat. This is the first coat of everything. Everything is black now. It's just that I don't have this, man. This I want one of those. And this is the shifter. This is the steering rail. These are the caliper carriers. Everything on first coat, guys. I think it's going to look nice. I like the red. And this is only the first coat. I don't have a run yet. No paint run yet. Don't guarantee anything, but so far nothing. So I wish I could get something so that I could put you in. I could start recording. Let me make a plan.
Come on. Bust the rhyme, Janet Jackson, here we go. One time, baby, just tell me just how you feel. We living it and just giving it to you real, baby, come on. Every time we crossing the borderline, we giving it to you, making you feel fine. Turn the heat up, better believe we gon' shine. Make your body wine, baby, the pleasure is all mine. To my people who be regulating the dance floor, better step to your business and handle yours. How we do it? Making your people just wanna bounce and get busy because you know that we always hit you off. What you say? You're wondering why you feeling the force. And don't you worry, cause you'll be ready to floss. More heat, cause I always put you on. And go to spot to the very second I'm gone. Get your groove on. Now that you're tired, I hope your body be cooping because we're keeping you moving. That's what we're doing, and you know we're gonna make your body wet. Yeah. Make your body just scream out, yeah. Make you think of naughty things. On me, on you. Yeah, what it's gonna be. Make your body wet. Come on. People seeing you waving your hand high. Hot shit burning and making your ass fry, baby, come on. Give you the shiver that make you quiver while I deliver the shit that'll hit you right in your liver. Always sound scanning, we never leaving you hanging. I'm always doing my thing and my music always be banging, so check it. You know we be always moving the crowd. Type of feeling that make you wanna go play it loud. What up? When we come and hit you best believe you really gon' get you. No matter whatever you wanna flaunt. Cause we be ripping the babies who what you want. Here we go. Painting the picture, we keep it hot in the winter. Now big up my people, you know I'm always with you. Flip mode, we blowing and taking over the planet. Full blast, hitting with Busta Rhymes and Janet, and you know we're gonna make your body wet. Yeah. Gonna make your body scream out, yeah. Make you think of naughty things. On me, on you. What it's gonna be. Yeah. We're gonna make your body wet. Gonna make your body scream out, yeah. Gonna make your body scream. Make your halfway dreams. We're gonna make your body real wet. We're gonna make your body say yeah. I wanna know where my road dogs is at. I wanna know where my live women is at. We're gonna make your body real wet. We're gonna make your body say yeah. Everybody wave your hand real high, and let me see you all put them up in the sky. Come on, making my niggas to say, oh, word up, and making you women to say, baby, come on, bringing it to you in many ways. We making it, taking you people right through another phase. Come on, we rocking it, baby. That's how we dropping it, baby. There ain't no stopping it, baby. I know we driving you crazy, and then we hit with the greatest of all time. No matter what you do, baby, we gon' shine, and you know we're gonna. Gonna make your body wet. Gonna scream out, yeah. Wanna do the naughty things. On me, on you. Yeah, what it's gonna be. Yeah, gonna make your body wet. Gonna make your body scream out, yeah.
Okay, I think that's going to be the last quote. I don't know. But I think it's enough. I don't want to lie. It looks great, and it has the finish that I like. I'm going to change this one. This I'll definitely have to change because it has bends somewhere, and I'm not sure if it's straight, and the finish is not nice, man. I don't want to lie. It looks like it's 1999. This one is 2009. So I don't want to lie. I'll have to change this, and I'm going to buy new of this. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to have a video on that, changing the bushing and the. Today is just a suspension refresh, painting, and that's all. Nothing hectic. Yeah, but I think I like the finish. The finish is nice. The finish is nice. Guys, I've put back the steering rack, but I don't have time. Like I don't want to lie. The weather is not. It's weathering. The weather is not on me, so I've sprayed the wheel well. Also, I've made it white, just to clean up the things, and I've put back the steering rack, and the wheel well is white also this side. I think I'm going to call it a day now, and I'll come back tomorrow and finish up. I don't know. Yeah, I wanted to put out this video today, so it means I don't know. The rest of the things I think you'll have to. So what are we doing next time? Okay, let me take you through what we're doing next time. Next time we're changing the bearings. We're spraying the shock absorbers. I'm not sure about cutting the springs. But we're changing the. We're changing this. We're spraying this black. We're fixing this also. This is too dirty for me. I want it at least to look like this. So I'm not sure if it's tomorrow or. But anyway, guys, I think that's it for today. For today, I'm not sure. Let me see what I can do. Hey guys, this is how my car looks now. It doesn't look nice. I don't want to lie. It is so scrapped. Like it's so scrapped right now. So scrapped right now. The engine bay is so scrapped right now. Anyway, guys, the weather is not looking nice, so I'm thinking of run. Oh. It's just a thought. I think I should put my tools down, and yeah, I'll come back to work tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm coming back here. So for now, guys, I hope you've enjoyed. If you've enjoyed whatever I was doing today, please subscribe, comment, share. If you didn't like it, also comment. And like the video, make a thumbs down today on the video, and yeah, whatever. Like, do something. Just do something. And I don't want to lie, guys. I'm grateful. Like, I don't want to lie. I'm grateful. I already. It's been It's been a month already. And already I've got like 14, if not 15 subscribers. And I'm grateful for that. Like, I'm grateful for that. For that, I'm saying thank you to everyone who's been watching, viewing, and subscribing. And I'm saying, I'm still promising I've got a lot of content for you. Like, a lot of content for you. So for now, let me clean up my tools, and I'm not sure if, let me show you whatever I'm going to do right now.
Yeah. Wanna make your body wet, girl. Wanna make your body scream out, yeah. Gonna think it's only things on me, on you. What it's gonna be? Yeah. Gonna make your body feel wet, girl. Gonna make your body scream out, yeah. Gonna make your body scream. Make your have wet dreams. What? Gonna make your body wet, girl. Yeah. Gonna make your body scream out, yeah. Gonna think dirty things like me on you. Yeah. What it's gonna be? Gonna make your body real wet, yeah. Gonna make your body scream out, yeah. Gonna make your body cream. Make it have wet dreams. What it's gonna be? Bust the rhymes, Janet Jackson. Finally. Flip on everybody. Yeah. What it's gonna be? What it's gonna be? What's it gonna be? What? Yeah. Close the door, man.
Guys, I'm done with the housekeeping now. Okay, I don't know what I should say. This is an update or what, but this is how I'm leaving things, guys. I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Things are not hanging nice. My car will never be like this. I'll never drive a car that looks like this. I'm not this kind of a person. Well, the engine bay, the springs are in here. And hey guys, don't forget we have a sunroof, operational one also. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go now, guys. Guys, let's do this one last time. Guys, please, this is my car. As you can see, this is my car. And if you want to see more happening on this car, please share this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, guys. If as soon as I upload the videos, you'll be notified for the premiere. So please, guys, I hope you guys you are enjoying the video, whatever I'm doing here. This is a build. It's not a. I didn't buy this car complete, so which means it won't be perfect. I will try my best to make it as OEM as possible. Actually, I'm not sure about OEM, but okay, let's say OEM plus as much as possible. So guys, please, if you're enjoying the build and if you want to see more on this build, please share this video, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Comment also, guys. This is our build. Tell me what to do on this car and tell me what not to do on this car. And guys, where is it? The engine bay is empty. Anyone who's got a plan, please contact me. I won't have money like right now. Right now it's the 1st of February, so I think by mid-March that's when I'll be able to buy the engine. So whoever's got an engine, guys, 1.4 or 1.6, fuel injected, ne? Please. And I also I need it with the car with the wiring loom, please. Hook me up. I'm sure that as soon as I get that, then the build starts for real. This is not okay. This it's a build, but hasn't started yet. Like for now, we are still the little things. So if I get an engine, then I've got a box. I've got a box. I've got a box. I've got a box. This is my box, guys. This is my box. I've got a box. So as soon as I get an engine, but I would like to get it complete. If I can get a complete engine and gearbox, then that will be more interesting than having an engine alone. So if you guys know anyone who has an engine and anything else that I need on the car, please highlight me. I think if you can just send contact me on I don't have a Facebook page, but I have a TikTok page and I have an Instagram page for this car. So if you can contact me on any of those pages, if you have anything I can buy, whether it's an engine, whether it's interior, whether it's wheels, anything that you think I need on the car. Yeah, guys, we are back on the build again. This is the second day of the suspension refresh. I'm not sure what this is going to end as a suspension refresh, or we're going to do something else, but we are here today. Let me see what we can do. I forgot something. Forgot to put something in yesterday when I was putting back the steering rack. There are these two grommets, these two things that go on the steering rack. I'm not even sure where I put them. Not sure anymore. Oh, they are here. They are here. These ones. I forgot to put these back in. So I'm supposed to take the steering rack out again and put those, I'm not sure what I should call them, grommets or rubbers. I'm not even sure what they do, but I found them there, so I have to put them back. Ish, my engine bay is very dirty, guys. I don't want to lie. Like, it's very, very, very dirty and unattractive. It doesn't look nice. I don't want to lie. But I'm planning to do something about it. I think maybe today I will do something about it. Let me the calipers, guys, I left them here yesterday and it rained, so I'm not sure if the whatever is there is permanently, or I can wash it off, but back on it again. Second day.
hlanganisa ngizingela amatawu thenga enye imoto kodwa engenawawo mhlangibamba iviklasi ngoyihlaba ngeplate sosplata tu mhlangibamba iviklasi ngoyihlaba ngeplate ngene kwamasho ukudilika igate yanikeza inive ngaclass kuyafana ngaqala ngisesigele nginukelwa amaclash hlanganisa ngizingela amatawu thenga enye imoto kodwa engenawawo mhlangibamba iviklasi ngoyihlaba ngeplate Mhlangibamba iviklasi ngoyihlaba ngeplate ngene kwamasho ukudilika igate lento sayiqala sibancane siyithandela impilo ama-ankele esibiza ngey'mpatsi khwiqiqi ngathi sakhula yangena nenyuka kancane kancane siyakhatha klasini lemethi besidwebelo phaya bengazi kwiradio nakhona sochat fana bestride masho kabesta bekulahleka imzimba ngekho udr nant insimbi lu-19 istiletho eish yakhasa mfo ibuza ngeplate.
Well, guys, I had to cut this. Yeah, I had to cut this because it's a struggle putting it back in on the other side. The other side it's easy, but on the other side it's very difficult.
Jandini uyathanda ukusifakela amehlo eish zocasha bro yabona manje kumele udlalele ghetto eish zostaka no ubulela igroove let's bend the rules odedela u2 call iduzu kumele ngiju ngibamba uaccuse isibamba ibhodlela elinembala yeGucci bamba iPM ungoyihlaba ngeplate eish sosplata jo mhla ngibamba iPM ungoyihlaba ngeplate yazi ke thothi ngiringa ngeidate yanikeza inyive ngaclass kafana ngaqala ngisesigele nginukelwa amaclash hlanganisa ngizingela amataw thengenye imoto kodwa engenawawo mhla ngibamba iviklasi ngoyihlaba ngeplate eish sosplata jo mhla ngibamba iviklasi ngoyihlaba ngeplate ngene kwamasho ukudilika igate.
Come on. Yeah. Bust the vibe, Janet Jackson, here we go. One time, baby, just tell me just how you feel. We living it and just giving it to you real, baby, come on. Every time we crossing the borderline, we giving it to you, making you feel fine. Turn the heat up, better believe we gon' shine. Make your body wine, baby, the pleasure is all mine. To my people who be regulating the dance floor, better step to your business and handle yours. How we do it? Making your people just wanna bounce and get busy because you know that we always hit you off. What you say? You're wondering why you feeling the force, and don't you worry, cause we ready to floss. More heat, cause I always put you on and blow the spot to the very second I'm gone. Get your groove on. Now that you're tired, I hope your body be cooping because we're keeping you moving. That's what we're doing, and you know we're gonna make your body wet. Yeah, yeah. Make your body go scream out. Yeah, yeah. Make you think of naughty things. On me, on you. Yeah, what it's gonna be. Make your body wet. Come on. Make your body scream. Yeah, yeah. Make your body cream. Make your have wet dreams. Wah. People seeing you waving your hand high. Hot shit burning and making your ass fry, baby, come on. Give you the shiver that make you quiver while I deliver the shit that'll hit you right in your liver. Always sound scanning, we never leaving you hanging. I'm always doing my thing and my music always be banging, so check it. You know we be always moving the crowd. Type of feeling that make you wanna go play it loud. What up? When we come and hit you, you best believe you really gon' get you. No matter whatever you wanna flaunt. Cause we be ripping the baby, so what you want? Here we go. Painting the picture, we keep it hot in the winter. Now big up my people, you know I'm always with you. Flip mode, we blowing and taking over the planet. Full blast, hitting with Busta Rhymes and Janet, and you know we're gonna make your body wet. Yeah. Gonna make your body scream out. Yeah, yeah. Make you think of naughty things. On me, on you. What it's gonna be. Yeah. We're gonna make your body wet. Ha ha. Gonna make your body scream out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gonna make your body scream. Make you have wet dreams. We're gonna make your body feel wet. We're gonna make your body say yeah. I wanna know where my road dogs is at. I wanna know where my live women is at. We're gonna make your body feel wet. We're gonna make your body say yeah. Everybody raise your hand real high. And let me see you all put them up in the sky. Come on, making my niggas to say word up and making you women to say baby come on. Bringing it to you in many ways. We making it, taking you people right through another phase. Come on, we rocking it baby, that's how we dropping it baby. There ain't no stopping it baby. I know we driving you crazy and then we hit with the greatest of all time. No matter what you do baby, we gon' shine. And you know we're gonna make your body wet. Gonna make your body scream out. Yeah, yeah. Gonna think of naughty things. On me, on you.
Guys, the suspension is back on. The suspension is back on. Back on the car. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but let me give you a nicer view. This is the suspension, guys. I don't want to lie. It looks nice. Like it looks so nice. It's just that the disc has rust, but I'll try to fix that. I don't have time today. It's a Sunday today. Tomorrow I'm going to work and I still have to do laundry. I was here the whole weekend working on the car, so I'm going to make sure that I fix the discs. I think I'm going to spray them. I'm not sure if I'll make them red here. I think I'll make them red here on this. But rather than that, guys, check this out. Everything is so... I dated things, yeah. I made the things date here, there, but it's not bad. I don't want to lie. And I think I'm going to paint everything here, because yesterday when I put you on the view when I was busy cleaning up, this was visible. So I don't want to lie. I want to clean it up. And this is the steering rack. I'm going to put a tie strap. Ishmael, I think I need to buy this. I don't know. Okay, someone told me. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, guys, correct me. And I've never seen this before, but someone told me that this can be put here. And once it's here, I can just measure and cut where I want and then use the very same thing. So I think I'm going to opt for it. Otherwise, I don't want things looking like... I don't want things to look naked, because I don't want to. It doesn't look nice right now. That place doesn't look nice. I cleaned it a bit, guys. The engine bay is not bad, but I don't want to lie. The rust is visible, so I can't put clear coat on that. What else? This. I can't put clear coat on that. So I think I'm going to opt for what I did before. I taped everything. Then sprayed it white. So I think I'm gonna take that route again. Spray it white and then put clear same time. I won't wait for a couple of days. So right now, let me even show you. Let me show you also this side. It's looking nice, guys. Just that the disc, man, it has rust, but I'll fix it. I think I'm gonna buy new discs. Well, I'm going to buy. Okay. Let me not guarantee anything. Anyone who knows, please tell me. What's this? Oh, I think it's the drain what. Oh, you don't need to tell me. Now I understand. I just checked there. Okay, I think I need to take this off, clean everything and take it back, because it does a nice job, as you can see. Just that it has mud. It's soily now. It has a lot of salt. Maybe it's not channeling the water anymore. Okay. I'm gonna put back the fenders, guys, and I think I'm gonna wash the car. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna put back the fenders and wash the car. I shall still need to come and tidy this up. This is not looking nice. I still need to clean this up. Even here. Okay, guys. Let me and wash the car. I wanted to leave the car on wheels today. It's just that my wheels are flat and I can't put flat wheels on the car. I wanted to put some wheels and hide this because I don't want to lie. It looks nice. Looks nice, like very nice. So if let me put back the fenders, guys, and neaten up everything. I said I like attention. I like to pay attention to the details. You can see how messed up the bumper is now. I want to show you how is it going to look after I've focus after I've did the little nyana things on the car. You understand? Yeah. So I don't know if I should put you on time lapse or okay. Time lapse.
Gonna make your body wet. Gonna make your body scream out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gonna make your body cream. Make your halfway dream. What's gonna be? Yeah. Gonna make your body wet, girl. Yeah. Gonna make your body scream out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gonna think it's only things on me, on you. What it's gonna be?
Guys, this is the car. I'm not sure if you can see how clean is the car. Like, the paint is so nice. The paint is so nice. I like the paint. The paint is so nice. So nice. So nice and clean. So nice and clean. So nice and clean. I still need a plan to remove this. No one has told me what to do. I still need a plan to remove this. Anyone who knows how to remove glue on paint, please tell me. This is on the inside. You just need a razor blade, then I'll remove that. Then, guys, the suspension is clean, like so clean. Well, not so much on the engine bay. I think the engine bay will look nicer if there's an engine and a water bottle and a washer bottle and the cone filter. No. Okay, I'm not sure about the cone filter, but things that go here and the engine and the cover, that's when the engine bay will look nice. And they call it the scuttle panel. I'm not sure if I'm calling it right. And I still need to clean this up. This is not nice when I buy a new grill and a new bumper. Guys, okay, tell me. I'm not sure if look how nice the car. Just check how nice the car looks. It looks nice, I don't want to lie. The suspension is clean, and even though the disc has rust, but the suspension is clean, guys. Suspension is clean. The car is clean also, and most of the things are sitting straight, I don't want to lie. Just the problem with this car, I don't like the panel caps. The panel caps are not nice at all, but I know how to fix panel caps. I think I'm going to teach myself how to paint with this car. How to do panel beating with this car. I'm not sure, but I think so. I'm going to try, then if I fail, then I'm going to give it to a professional. After I get anyone who has new bumpers, okay, not new, but at least nice bumper, man. Okay. The ones that I get on Marketplace, they are nice, but I want the bumper that has a cradle, man. I don't want to put a cradle in a bumper after I've had the I like the bumper to have a cradle so that I know it's sitting straight and it's original and it's so then. Anyway, that's it, guys. I think we've reached a certain milestone with this car. That's what I think. I'm not sure, but I think we've reached a certain milestone with this car. It's looking nice, and we still need to clean this. This is not nice. I don't want to lie. Compared to this, This is not nice. This is nice. This is not nice. So I'm not sure if it's this week, the following weekend, or the one that comes after. I'm not sure if I'll come here and I'll fix this. I know I can fix it, so I'm going to do it. Yeah, guys, just that ish. But the car looks nice. I don't want to lie. But this side, it has a lot of wobbles. It looks like okay, but I saw that the car was on an accident, so it means the door, the front door, and the rear door were panel beaten. Okay, I'll see what I can do. Maybe that's why the door is sitting the way it's sitting right now. So it means yes, the door was panel beaten. It's sitting right here, but it's not sitting right here. Okay, I have a solution for that. So.
My mind is spun, I've had enough. Feels like I'm burning down, the flames rise up, and I can't tell what's coming next. This life is like a game of roulette. The one that I need, help me see beyond the surface, my purpose. You are my North Star. You are my always. You are my compass. Now I've turned sideways. Where do you turn to? Ashes, ashes.
Now, yeah, this is it. I think that's enough, guys, for today. That's it. Can you please, anyone who like that, who was interested with what we were doing today, please, you can like, you can share, you can subscribe, you can hit the like button and also the notification button, guys. It was nice. It was not nice. It was stressful and it was hard. I don't want to lie. It's just that I'm tired right now. So let me end this one and say, have a nice life, and please continue watching my videos, and have a nice day.